touch me, and evil was a plan beset by me. 3 a.m. and I know this road leads down until you set us hold on where my soul feeds. Sorry for her loss of her heart, talks with murderous intent. I licked the stick of a lip gloss, and the cost of my cold heart is that ain't it still for love none, feel none and care none. If you're looking for me, I'll be on the outside, waiting for it, and I might cut you open just to see what's on the inside. I'm ready to rip, and I'm that monster that your mother always told you about. Oh, and I hope that you slip, and if I catch you, I'ma catch you in the nighttime, 'cause I'm ready to rip, yeah. Heavy was the rain that was falling outside the night as I'm drawing. Short breaths, my irregular breathing, my heart is pounding my chest. I can't stop bleeding, oh. Wicked were the thoughts that consume me, and evil always brought me to ruin. 3 a.m. and I know this road leads down until you set us hold on where my soul feeds. I'm sorry for her loss of her heart, talks with murderous intent. I licked the stick of a lip gloss, and the cost of my cold eyes that in itself for love none, feel none and care none. If you're looking for me, I'll be on the outside, waiting for it, and I might cut you open just to see what's on the inside, 'cause I'm ready to rip, and I'm that monster that your mother always told you about. Oh, yeah, I hope that you slip, and if I catch you, I'ma catch you in the nighttime, 'cause I'm ready to rip it. You know I'm ready for it, and I'm ready for it. I hope you're ready for it. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me before I kill again. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me before I kill again. Before I kill again. Looking for me, I'll be on the outside, waiting for it, and I might cut you open just to see what's on the inside. Ooh, so I'm ready to rip, and I'm that monster that your mother always told you about. Oh, and hope to slip, and if I catch you, I'ma catch you in the nighttime, 'cause I'm ready to rip it. You know I'm ready for it, and I'm ready for it. I hope you're ready for it. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me before I kill again.